Do you spend half an hour in the toilet on most days looking like this? Constipation is so not fun. It ruins your mood and your health. So let's fix this today with 5 easy solutions. I am Apurva Joshi, a foodie and a clinical nutritionist. You are watching a video by Unbox Nutrition. We often get constipated on a regular basis and we choose to either not act on it or pop laxatives. It may help you temporarily, but unless you fix the root cause of it, it will keep on recurring. So today we are going to identify the possible causes of constipation and learn about some long-term habits that can keep constipation at bay. There are two main reasons for constipation. The first one is the difficulty of stool passing through the colon, and the second one is the tightness of the pelvic muscles which make it difficult to release the stool. So let's see why these two occur and the solutions for each one of them. First one is possibly the commonest cause which we forget to act on. It is inadequate hydration. When we eat our food, it passes through our stomach, then the small intestine, then large intestine, and finally reaches the rectum, after which it gets excreted. At every stage, there is an exchange of nutrients and water. When it reaches the large intestine, which is also known as the colon, it has already lost a lot of moisture and become solid. The colon also absorbs water, making it even harder and more difficult to pass. So if we want it to pass smoothly, it needs to retain moisture by the time it reaches this stage. So to ensure that, we must stay very well hydrated. So to do this, you can drink more water or more fluids like nimbu pani, buttermilk, etc. Or even have high water content foods like raw fruits and vegetables. Especially try to have 2 to 3 glasses of water as soon as you get up to aid you in the morning bowel movements. The second one is wrong posture. When you sit on a western toilet, the muscle at the end of the rectum gets pinched, making it harder for stool to pass through it, as shown in this image. To correct this, one can simply elevate the legs using a footrest or a similar object which can make you sit in a squatting position as shown. It will relax your muscle and this will make it easier for the stool to pass. So if you don't have a stool like this, you can simply use any object that elevates your foot to that level. Third one is lack of physical activity. Exercise is known to improve bowel movements and relieve constipation. So if you are leading an inactive lifestyle right now, start adding some activities like walks, stretching, yoga or any other exercise that suits your health condition and abilities. There are certain postures in yoga that are known to relieve constipation. The postures are shown here. You can try to take the help of these as well. However, please note that not all postures can be tried immediately. Some need practice or may not be suitable for your health condition. So please try them with caution. Fourth one is inadequate fiber intake. We need enough fiber to make sure that we don't get constipated. Dietary fiber can be of two types, soluble and insoluble. The soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, and this helps your stool to pass smoothly through your bowels and improves its form and consistency. Insoluble fiber bulks up your stool and acts like a brush sweeping through your bowels to get everything out and keep things moving. As you may have noticed, we need both to maintain healthy bowel movements and avoid constipation. How much do we need and how do we get it? As per ICMR recommendations for Indians, we need about 40 grams of fiber. Most foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dals and pulses, nuts and seeds contain both the types. So it's a good idea to include more of such foods and less refined foods which lack fiber. I have a whole series of fiber-rich foods that you can add to your daily food. You can check it out on the link below. However, if you cannot meet the intake through food, you can take supplementary fibers like psyllium husk or what we call isabgol or even bran. They are easily available and add more fiber in just one serving. However, please note that since they tend to absorb more water and get more bulk, if your water intake is not adequate, these will only worsen your constipation. So also make sure that you are well hydrated when you use any such fiber supplement. Fifth one is probiotics. Your gut contains good bacteria that help in ensuring good digestion, immunity and overall health. Probiotics are the live beneficial bacteria. So these help in maintaining good gut bacteria, which as per research has shown to improve both the frequency and the consistency of the stool, which in turn makes it easier to pass. So you can either consume good probiotic foods like dahi or yogurt, or fermented drinks like kanji, or even a probiotic supplement as per the healthcare professional's advice. So this is a research-backed list of 5 natural solutions for relieving constipation. A lot of times, people blindly keep increasing the fiber intake for constipation, where the real cause may be wrong posture or lack of activity or inadequate hydration. Hence, identify your cause and then act on it. There are other causes of constipation too, like physical issues with some muscles that control the bowel movements, or irritable bowel syndrome, or as a side effect of a medicine that you are taking for a long time, etc. So, if you have chronic constipation, rather than just popping laxatives endlessly, take the advice of a doctor to identify the real cause and then work towards solving that cause. If you find this video useful, please like it. If you know someone whose days can be brighter because of the poop solution that we have discussed, please share it with them. Subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, keep unboxing nutrition with me.